Hey guys, today let's learn how to deactivate our Instagram account temporarily without actually losing all of our followers. So for those new users who doesn't know how to basically deactivate their Instagram accounts, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys just how to do that, so just watch until the end. Okay, so basically first of all, what we need to do first is to launch our Instagram accounts. So of course right now I'm already here on my Instagram account and I wish to use another account for this tutorial, and I want to deactivate this account right here. And of course, if you want to proceed with deactivating your account, all you need to do basically is to head on over and launch the Instagram accounts that we want to basically deactivate. And then the next step is to head on over to the option wherein we could actually proceed with our account deactivation. And of course, that should be located over here in our settings. So click on your settings on your profile icons and click on the three lines in the top right corner. I want you to click on settings and I want you to head on over onto the option wherein you can actually access your account settings. Alright, perfect. So once you're here on your account settings, what we actually need to do is to click over here on delete account. Now over here we actually have two options now, which is the first one and it actually says deactivate account, and the second one is to delete account. So we do want to deactivate our account temporarily, so just proceed with deactivate account, and what you should see is this page right here. Of course, what we need to enter is one of the essentials is also our password, and as well as the reason why we want to deactivate our account. And after actually entering these two details, we may now proceed with the temporarily account deactivation over here onto the Instagram. And basically once you do that, you're not going to have the option to use the account anymore for a temporary while, just until you log back into that account. Now of course, there is no risk of actually losing of any of your followers if you proceed with this method. Now of course, that is actually the common misconception when people actually try to deactivate their account. They may actually think that they have lost their followers, but in reality the account is just not viewable anymore. That's why when you try to view your account from another account or from another user, you don't see the follower count and as well as your following count. So whenever you get back onto that specific account and log back in again, of course every little detail as well as your follower count will be right back and no one will be lost. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.